Hot Toddy. That is all. I know you want one, so go ahead and put some water on to boil. I'll wait. Go ahead. Brew a cup of tea. Unflavored is ideal. You can use hot water instead of tea if you prefer, and stir in up to a tablespoon of real honey. Squeeze a lemon wedge. Bottled lemon juice works as well, and add an optional shot of whiskey or another dark liquor. Hot toddies are great if you're not feeling well, when it's cold outside, or if you've got a craving. That's how you make a simple hot toddy. There are lots of variations, but this one tastes excellent, so go ahead and try it out. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else. Food board. Hot toddy. I think I need one right about now.